That's a picture actually of the aircraft. The registration was the first aircraft I flew, and the picture on the bottom left is a picture of me on my first day, and then me in the flight deck on the right hand side. My name is John Davison. I'm the Chief Pilot of Fieldmaster Systems. We've been operating the DJI Agras drone for 2.5 years now. We provide survey work for invasive species, and then we also provide spray services for farmers and for corporations that need to manage their land, and we also provide services in forest regeneration.
I'm Bill Davison, I'm John's dad. I'm semi-retired. I worked as an electronics tech for a major international company. John has engaged me to be an assistant at times. So I get a job every now and again, which keeps me active.
Originally, I was an airline pilot for Virgin Australia. It was a job that I wanted to do as a child, so always wanted to be a pilot, and I spent 10 years in outback Australia flying small Cessna aircraft to build up my time. And then in 2008, I eventually had enough experience that I could apply, and I got a job with Virgin.
A lot of people think that flying's a great job. It is, there's no problem about that. But to fly for 4 or 5 days and not come home to the family, and then when you come home, he wasn't really mindful of where he was sometimes. It was very tiring, so it took him 2 or 3 days to recuperate sometimes.
And during COVID, I was made redundant. I didn't feel upset, but I was scared, because you don't know what the future holds, and where is your income come from next.
John's very inventive, very resourceful, so he decided to do farm fencing, which carried us quite well for 2 years through the COVID period.
Then I knew I had some good skills as a pilot, and I knew I could transfer that to be a drone pilot. And with the demand of the Agras drones here in Victoria, I thought it'd be a great business to start. So the farming methods out here for weed spraying is either a buggy or hand spraying. And the biggest problem here in Victoria is during winter time, they can't access the paddocks because it becomes too wet, or the creeks, as you'll see out here, they flood and you can't cross them anymore. So with the DJI Agras drones, we're able to spray the paddocks without destroying them and tearing them up. And also, when the wind changes here quite a bit, the spray can come back and spray you in the face, but with the DJI drones, you're 100 metres, 200 metres away, so you're not getting any chemicals over your body. I love working with the drones. It enables me to stay at home more often, and now that I operate my own business, I can control my life now more precisely, and yeah, I have more control over what I do. Converting from an aircraft that seats 270 people to flying a drone, I consider myself still a pilot. I'm just flying something a little bit smaller.